This is just a quick video on how to log into your school account and access any of the classes teachers have set up on Microsoft Teams and also any of the notes a teacher has shared with you on OneNote. So the first step is to enter into your URL bar portal.office.com like this. When you've that done, then it brings you to the sign in page. So it's your first name dot your surname at cbscallen.ie. Okay, I'm just using this as a test account. So first name dot surname at cbscallen.ie. Then you enter your password, which was provided to you by the ICT coordinator, and you click sign in. What that'll do then is it'll open up the Office suite of apps. So the apps that we're looking to use today are going to be Microsoft Teams and OneNote. Sometimes if you open it in Microsoft Edge, it might appear like this down along the side. Okay, so just two different web browsers, and that's the way it appears. Again, Teams and OneNote, they're the two we want to use. So looking here then, I'm going to click into Microsoft Teams. So what'll happen then is Teams will open up and it'll show me any of the teams that I am connected to. So at the moment I am just connected to two teams. Okay, so we can see the instructions there. So at the moment I'm connected to two teams, 1B Maths and 6th Maths. So obviously this is the test account. If I was to show an example of a first year account, it would look like this. And again, just a different browser, so all your teams appear in this order. Okay, so if you click Teams, okay, like there. So all your teams appear there. So you have your different subjects and the teams that the teachers have set up for you. So if you want to go into another team, just click on the team. So currently you are in 1A Maths. Going back to my page then. So I'm going to click into this team here, and anything that the teacher has done for me is posted up on the main page for posts. So we can see here posts, so the main page there. So that work has been posted up by my class teacher. If the teacher has set up a class notebook, so a OneNote class notebook for sharing notes with me, that will appear up here. So I'm going to click that class notebook. Okay, and this will put up anything that the teacher has done on OneNote and which was projected then onto the whiteboard in the room using the data projector. So if I click this arrow here, and you can see here what I have is I have the class notes for this class. Okay, so I can see here the teacher started in chapter 1. Okay, so the notes that we are looking at in class today on chapter 1 will populate here in a minute. I also have the collaboration space, and I have my name here, test account will be here, so that will show up as whatever your student name is. And then on that, again, I'm just waiting for that to load. So just get the notes up first. So what's going to load up here is going to be any of the notes that the teacher is doing in class. Again, this takes a couple of minutes just to load up the first time that you use the app, and then after a while it'll be synced already. And then you can also do where you open in the app. So I'd advise anyone who has a tablet or a mobile phone or a desktop and they want to download the OneNote app or also the Microsoft Teams app, you can do that now. So I'm just going to let that load up there for a minute. Yes, so depending on your internet will determine how quickly that loads up. But as I mentioned, I think the best thing to do is download the app for OneNote and the app for Teams to your device, and you'll quickly sync up then. So I have this page open here, and I can see then anything that we have done in class today is showing up on the OneNote here. Okay, so as the year goes on, this will populate with further chapters. In my test account then, I have my class notes, handout, homework, and quizzes. So if I click the homework section now, this will load up. and I have my own blank section here. So if I want to upload any homework to this, I can set it up. I have this homework section here and I can upload some homework. So if I click on this page and say I was call it today is Thursday, so Thursday 9th 2020, and if I wanted to insert add a picture, right? So I could add a picture from a file on my phone or my camera. If I was using my mobile phone, I could upload a photo of my copybook with my questions done out for the teacher to see. I'll do another video explaining this in more detail, but just for the moment, just to give you an idea of where you would find your class notes that the teacher has done on the board, and then where your own section in is then to upload stuff yourself. And then also, as I mentioned, if you want to open the app, open OneNote or Teams in the app, it might work better depending on your internet. A couple of other things, assignments and grades also, but again, we'll worry about those at a later date. For the moment, I just want people to make sure that they're able to log on to the Teams and they know where to go to get the posts and the class notebook. Also then, so if I go back here for a sec, okay, so when you're at this stage here, or this stage here, if you click into OneNote, so I'm going to do that there. Sorry, I'm going to click into this one here. So OneNote, and you go to shared with me, any notebooks that are shared with you will appear there. If I go into this other one here, so again, I'm going to go to OneNote, I'm going to go shared with me, so we're just waiting for those notebooks to be shared. So we can see there that Matt's notebook has been shared, and as class notebook, sorry, that's where I should be looking. So you can see then any of the class notebooks that are shared with me are appearing there. So again, back on this page, I should be going to class notebooks. So any class notebooks that are shared will appear there. This one has more populated, so we can see any of the class notebooks will come up there. Right, I hope this video makes it nice and clear. So this is how you log in and go to your Microsoft Teams and your OneNote to get your class information and notes that the teacher shared with you, and potentially then down the line we'll look at uploading homework and assignments to the Microsoft Teams. Thank you.